Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. In this list you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.